Is black smoke normal in diesel car? Yes. Black smoke emitted from a diesel engine is a frequent phenomenon, yet it may signal underlying engine issues. The presence of black smoke suggests incomplete combustion of fuel, often attributed to an imbalanced fuel-to-air ratio or more intricate problems within the engine. Mechanical defects in the engine can hinder the optimal burning of petroleum, contributing to the generation of black smoke. To mitigate this, running the engine on a lower load is advisable, as it not only reduces fuel consumption but also helps control the emission of black smoke from the exhaust. Implementing regular preventive maintenance practices, such as consistent oil changes and top-ups with the recommended oil, can play a crucial role in averting excessive wear on the valve train, rings, and cylinders. Additionally, the use of high-performance diesel engine oils proves effective in managing engine deposits, which, if left unaddressed, can lead to the impairment of rings, causing them to become stuck and sluggish.